In this feature highlight video, we wanted to showcase one of the new features that has come with Cosmos 6.9.1 for our enterprise customers, which is our Log Explorer tool, which is available by default on the bottom left side of this utilities panel. This tool, this UI, provides us a way to look at historical logs in a way that's much faster and much easier accessible to our users. So generally speaking, the logs have been always visible on our command to lem server, but from here you can actually specify specific time ranges or maybe like some historical information so that you're able to look at all the logs that may have occurred and display it here. So from this availability at a high level, we're able to look at the time ranges that we can filter in. We can search on specific keywords that we're looking for in our logs. We can filter by log level depending on what type of information you're looking for. The scopes, which generally is going to be your default current scope. However, you can also change it to no scope, which is going to show you some of the more API level log levels. And then the ability to download these logs. This is by default on ascending order, so it's going to be from your start time to your end time. But then you're able to search on this. For example, I want to look at just my health status information. That's a perfect way to search that. I could then narrow it down even further. I want to look at errors with health status information, and then look at, like, let's say there are 250 logs that fit this criteria, and then the search is really narrowing it down to our 248. If we change this back to info and change it to no scope, this is where we get more API level details. If you wanted like more details about the backend logs, you can get that here. But generally speaking, the current scope is going to be the perfect solution. If you wanted to look at something historical, maybe let's say I wanted to look at the previous hour's information, I can hit that filter so that I can get historical data very quickly here. And when I'm ready to export, you can hit that download button right there. If you would like to learn more about Log Explorer, please visit our documentation at docs.openc3.com to learn more.